ZTT Electric Mini Dehumidifier LCD, 300 square feet, fast overview. Intelligent Dynamic Liquid Crystal Display Temperature Control Machine Working Status Visible Dehumidification Effect. The vaporized air passes through the evaporator. When the temperature is lower than 10 degrees Celsius, it will condense into frost, and after continuous circulation, the condensed frost will become thicker and thicker. Fine design, fully automatic power-off dehumidification up to 300 ml/24 hr. Power stability, high speed, equipped with motor overload protection. Easy to operate, only one button is needed to achieve dehumidification. Large wind tunnel design, air circulation, smooth wind resistance, low noise 35 decibels.